Hi, Westies. Today this is a Tuesday, we're going to be talking about equations in real world situations and how we can create an equation from a real world situation. So our first example is Bella bought packs of stickers to give to her friends. Each pack, I'm going to identify each pack, cost $4. She spent a total of $12 on stickers. How many packs did she buy? The question is how many packs, so that's our variable. P is equal to packs, so I'm identifying that. If you think about it, so we know that each pack cost $4. But how many did she buy if she spent a total? So the total is telling us that's how much she spent. So we know that that is going to be our is. She spent a total of 12. In your head, you're probably thinking, well, I know I'm going to need to divide 12 by 4. But to set up the equation, you're actually going to do the inverse operation of what you need to do. Because now we're going to write out the equation, and when we solve it, you are going to end up dividing 12 by 4 to get your answer 3. I'm going to give you some time to process that. Your solution in your number sentence would then be, when you plug it back in, 4 times 3 equals 12. And your answer is she bought 3 packs of stickers. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. Robert had money in his savings account. He spent $35 of it on a new jacket. Okay, so spent, so I'm going to say he spent. It's spent. He has how much left? Has is telling us that you're equal. That's how much. He has 70 and he spent 30. So spent indicates it's going to be a negative 35. How much money did he have in his savings account before then? So M minus 35 equals 70. We know they're asking us about money, so M is going to be our variable because that is going to solve for our money. I'm going to write my equation out and I'm going to solve. I'm going to add 35, M is equal to $105. I'm going to plug that in. 105 minus 35 is equal to 70, and we have our total of $105. Is that reasonable? Does that make sense? It's asking how much money did he have in his savings account before he bought the jacket? He had $105. He bought a jacket. He spent $35. He has $70 remaining. That is reasonable. That makes sense. Our next one. Pete played in 2 games. I'm going to get orange here. Okay. He played in 2 basketball games. He scored 4 fewer. You can do 4 fewer. Fewer, that means minus 4 in the second game than he did in the first. He scored 12 points in the second game. Okay, so how many points did he score in the first game? So they're asking us points. So P is going to be for points. That's my variable. I know it's going to be, I'm going to have to take 4 away. And he scored 4 fewer points in the second game than the first game. So this is going to be G is my first game, 4 fewer points, and he scored 12 points in the second game. You knew in your head you're going to need to add 12 and 4 together. But when you're creating an equation with an unknown, with the variable, you're going to do the inverse operation. G minus 4 is equal to 12. The opposite of subtracting, I don't know why I wrote a 5. 4 is adding 4. That 0 pairs out. G is equal to 16. So I'm going to then plug in 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 16 points. How many points did he score in the first game? If he scored 16 points and he scored 4 fewer points in the second game than he did in the first game, this is reasonable. This makes complete sense. Krista is saving for a new tablet. It cost $70. The total cost, it cost $70. She already has 30. She has that. So I'm going to say 35. She has it. She didn't spend it. So it's going to be positive. How much more does she need to save? So T. How much more is she going to need to save to be able to get the tablet? T plus 35 is equal to 70. I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. T is equal to $35. 35 plus 35 equals 70. She's going to need $35 more. Our final one. Bella brought stickers to give to her friends. 12 of her friends. Each friend received 4 stickers. How many stickers did she bring to school? Okay, so each is going to tell us to multiply, but we have an unknown variable here, so we're going to do the inverse. We know that we're trying to figure out stickers is our unknown. How many stickers did she bring to school? So our total number of stickers is going to need to be divided by 4 for each student. Okay? And then now we're going to solve. Times 4, that cancels out. And S is equal to 48. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Bella brought stickers to give to 12 of her friends. Each friend received 4. You could also set up this way, I think. Let's see. You could say sticker. Oops. Sticker. Why isn't it populating? Sticker divided by 12 would still equal 4, and you could times each side by 12, and you're going to get 48. Okay? If you see it that way. 48 stickers. Now for our challenge, I'm going to give you this example. You need to come up with your own example. You are not going to use this example. You're going to come up with your own example. Write a real-world problem from the equation 11x equals 385. Solve the equation and then attach a picture to represent your problem. Miss Rindles spent $385 on 11 dog toys. How many dog toys did she purchase? So my equation was 11 times x equals 38 or 385. And you end up, the answer is 35 dog toys. And I did not upload a picture, so let me go to animals. And do we have a dog? I can type in dog, so I can show y'all. Here we have a dog. Okay, and here's dog for our dog toys. And then you grab the paintbrush, and I'm gonna make my dog yellow, yellowish orange. Okay, y'all have a great day.